Hello, I'm Kyle Newcomb, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to synchronize audio in Final Cut Pro 10. Audio in regards to video can be very challenging. Say you have a great camera, but you don't really have a good microphone for it, or you're using an XLR audio solution like me. Well, a lot of people end up recording audio externally, not to the camera, and that can be rough for your post-production workflow. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to synchronize audio in post in Final Cut Pro 10 specifically, but a lot of the things I can teach you can also apply to other editing softwares like Adobe Premiere Pro, Premiere Elements, or DaVinci Resolve, whatever you might happen to use. So right at the beginning of this video, you obviously noticed the claps, and that's something you might have seen people do but not quite understood how it worked. So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking the exact frame where my hands come together like that and matching it up where the audio peaks to make sure that it's synchronized. Now there are some tools that can automatically do this. I don't personally use them because this is a pretty infrequent thing for me, but I find that doing it manually can get it much better, because with some of the automatic tools you can't really adjust it if it's a little bit off. So let's take this clip right now and import it into Final Cut Pro 10 to see how we can synchronize this audio. Alright, so we are back, and as you can see on my computer on the desktop, I have these two files. Now they're actually both video files. This is just a screen recording. Honestly, it's just the easiest way for me anyway, to record audio to my computer, and it just works a little better. But we will be removing the screen recording video, and I'll show you how to do that. And then this is the video from the camera. So anyway, I've got my just random untitled library open in Final Cut Pro that I use for projects. So what we're going to want to do is import the two clips that we want. So if we import those two, then we've got two new clips, and I'm actually going to have to create a new project real fast. So we're just going to call this audio sync. Anyway, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take these two clips. So usually I put the audio on the bottom. So then what we want to do is, in this case, the screen recording is just random garbage. So we don't want that. So what we're going to just do is we're going to detach the audio, and then we're just going to delete the video. Or, my bad, we're actually going to need to move the audio to the main channel, then delete the video. Okay, so now we're in a great spot. So what we can do is we can grab the video, and they are roughly the same length, but if I play it right now, totally out of sync, obviously. So that's not good. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to zoom in. So if you're using a trackpad, just do the two-finger pinch to zoom. Or if you're using a mouse, you can just go over here and drag the slider to zoom in and out. As you can see, this is clearly where the audio peaks for the clap. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to select the audio, and we're going to push M to put a small blue marker there. So that's where we know the first clap is. Then what we're going to want to do is select the video and scroll along there until we find the first clap. So we just want to go super slow motion, and the hands hit right there. So then we're going to press M again, and then we can zoom out a little bit. And then all we have to do is, well, I'm actually just going to chop out a bunch of this so we actually have room to move it. So then what we can do is we can, slightly annoyingly, drag them over here until the markers match up perfectly, and I actually almost did it perfectly. Perfect length. So now if we play it, it should be synchronized. Okay. Hello, I'm Kyle Newcomb, and there we go. The audio is now synchronized. And if you do want to make the audio and video all one clip so you actually don't mess it up, you can select all of them. You can go to File, New, and then go compound clip or option G. Then you can name it, and bam, it's all one clip. So if you're worried about accidentally moving the audio around and messing it up, you can do that. And then you can still obviously cut sections out of the middle if you don't want them. But that is a really easy and time-efficient way of synchronizing audio in Final Cut Pro 10. Thank you for watching this video, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this, as well as my tech reviews and travel vlogs. Thanks for watching.